Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to take a doorknob off a bathroom door here and replace it. So first of all, I'm going to take the old one off. It's got this weird catch where it's just kind of like hanging there. And I don't know how old this thing is, probably older than me. Well, maybe not. But it's got a couple screws here, just going to go ahead and unscrew those. Alright, and you can, if the handle's in the way, just move it down to get to access the other screw point. These are long screws, so have patience. Alright, do the old dual unscrewing motion here. Okay, one done, the other one done. Okay, so then we just, I don't know what just fell out of there, a bunch of crud. Okay, so just pull, that's kind of falling apart in there. Okay, so as you can see here, maybe you can't see. So here's the door, and it just kind of slides out of that slot there, and the handle fits into that groove right there. Curved on this side, flat on this side, and then when you turn the handle, it just opens the there. It's pretty self-explanatory, yeah. So we'll just pull this out too, straight. I think. Okay, so push this in with your thumb and pull it out there, and then a bunch of crud just come out of there. Thing like been falling apart for quite a while, looks like. Okay, so then we'll just go ahead and unscrew this here, holding the door with my leg here. Just unscrew this real quick. All right, unscrew this here. All right, and now you can just pop this right off. If you have trouble popping it off, you can fit like a flathead under there and just pop it off. Hey, hi, little love. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum all this stuff out of here. I don't know if you can see that. Where's the? Yeah, look at this. Look at all this stuff from the door handle. It was like turning and stuff over a period of time. It's kind of weird looking. So I'm gonna vacuum that out real quick. And yeah, and we'll be right back.